Hi guys, and welcome back to Black Stag Styling. Well, I say welcome back. If you haven't checked out our channel before, please do get on there, have a look at some of the other videos we've done. Everything from hydro dipping to styling, vans, pickup trucks, Ferraris, McLarens, all sorts of stuff, motorbikes. Have a look at some of our other videos. In with us for today is our truck. So is our VW Amarok, which we have already done lots and lots of styling, all sorts of bits and pieces too. That's on some of the other videos on our channel as well, so please do check them out, particularly all the styling, wheels, wheel arches, everything we've done to this. But on this occasion we've got it into our workshop and we are supplying and installing onto it the Kufatec sound booster system for the exhaust. So this is to give it the V6, V8 sound to the engine. It's all linked in with the throttle. Fantastic bit of kit this, so please stay tuned for the installation. We'll obviously give you a full demo at the end of the video as well, so you can hear what this sounds like. It has a number of different settings, in fact 6 settings, so you can have a really subtle noise right up to a much louder, smarter sort of V6, V8 sound. So this is the extended version we're fitting onto this. They do 2, which is the extended and the pro. We're going for the extended, which is the higher sort of level one, and based around the Maserati sort of exhaust sound. So stay tuned for this. Normal stuff, please do like and subscribe to the old channel, stay fully up to date with everything we're doing, and we will of course now look to get this little beast of ours into the workshop and start installing the sound booster system. So roll the intros, here we go. Okay, so here is the Kufatec sound booster system. This is, as you can see, all what comes in the kit. So we have a ECU control unit, we have the Bluetooth unit, so it goes to your phone with using the Kufatec app. Obviously we've got the different looms, plug for the ECU. We have a wire cable which is just to go round the booster itself, as well as it being bolted to the underneath of the vehicle, and it's just to make sure if it was to come loose it can't come off the vehicle. And this is your booster system, so even shaped like an exhaust at the end, and this is what creates the different sounds when using the app. So there we go, we'll start to get this all onto the old vehicle very shortly. How you getting on with the wiring, mate?
Oh, that light's lovely. You just stay there for the rest of the time doing it.
Oh, was that helping?
Yeah, that's lovely. That's beautiful. Yeah, we're getting on alright, mate. A little bit tight under here, wire-wise.
Yeah.
Not, but okay. Okay. Yeah, no, we're getting there, mate. We've just got to get power and an earth to it now, and then we should be able to power it up and test it.
Superb. I'll leave you to it down there, mate. Come see you in a minute.
Come back tomorrow.
Hello, mate. How are we getting on?
Hello, mate. Oh, we're getting there now. We're putting on gas now, you know. Yeah, we're all in.
Super.
The control box is all fitted nicely hidden up behind here, and also the Bluetooth box it connects to your phone with.
Superb.
All the other wiring is done. All we've got left to do now is the little switch there, and then the main wiring to get out of the car underneath the bottom.
Yeah.
And fits our old booster on.
Fantastic, mate. Sounds good.
There. We've had a little test, but we'll wait till the end to get it all finished and show you.
Superb. Excellent. Okay, mate.
Sounded lovely, to be honest.
It sounded good on the test.
Never heard nothing like it.
Oh, I think that's good, hopefully. And it's got the Bluetooth unit, you say, all hidden away as well?
Hidden away, all the wires all tucked away nice. Yeah,
excellent.
All good.
Oh, I'll let you carry on then.
Sparky will be proud of me.
Where are we putting the switch?
So we're going to put the switch, I think, just on that panel goes back on there. So we're going to put the switch back sort of here. So
yeah, just on the other side.
Yeah, so it's not really seen, but it's there if you need them.
Fantastic. Carry on, pal.
Lovely job.
Lovely times.
Lovely times. Oh, Nigel comes to say hello, look. Hello, Nigel.
Hello, Nigel, from En's Auto Services.
Nigel has had quite a big part in this whole project because he lent me his nice little cable snippers. Oh, they're lovely.
Oh, from
The
down
best
there.
ones I've ever seen.
There's the tools, all the
Best
required
ones
tools.
I've ever damn seen.
Hey?
Yeah, best ones I've ever seen.
Right, don't forget you can check out our other video we've done fitting the sound booster system to the Ford Ranger Wildtrak. As we always like to, we're going to stick the link right above my head now, so you can always click on that to watch the installation and of course listen to what it sounded like on the Ford Ranger. For now though, we're just going to go back to Ad. He's now, I think, about to thread the wire through to the underneath of the vehicle. So he's just trying to find himself a hole, isn't he, mate?
I found a hole here, mate. Lovely little hole.
He found a hole. We'll go above him so we can see where he's at.
Lovely little hole just there, look.
Oh, we'll come around this side. Hang on.
Cheeky bun that will take you out for a minute.
Oh, just underneath there.
Right under there, look.
Just about. Yeah, a bit of a struggle to see there.
Can you see it? There it is.
Okay,
Sorry,
here we
mate.
go. Here we go.
Ball patch instead,
You got a ball patch, mate. Superb. That's where we put the wire through because the booster system, which is just down here, goes underneath the vehicle. Of course, that way, giving the sound to the outside of the vehicle instead of on the inside, because a lot of the newer systems just give you a bit of a sound on the inside of the vehicle and nothing on the outside. So this is sort of the opposite. It gives you a nice sound on the outside. Of course, a bit of a safety thing as well. You know, people can hear you coming. Right, and it's going to be good to have it on our Amarok as well. Right, I think we're going to have a little look, see what the other guys are doing, as it's a little bit quieter on our side of the workshop. So we're going to go see what the rest of the guys are doing next door. In the meantime, let's show you some Bentley wheels. We've just done some split rims. So these have been done, the outer rim have been done in Panther Black. Just about to see the sparkle, I think, to the black. And then the fantastic purple on the centres of the wheels. And then, of course, all the split rim bolts put back in and Loctited in place. Torqued up, of course, as well. Right, well, we're going to see what they're doing. What's that? Motorbike we just got in as well. Nice KTM Super Duke R. This is in to have some hydro dipping done to a few panels. Be on another video coming soon. There we go. Here we are, look, here they all are next door. You're all wondering where they were. Here's Tommy, isn't a bit of polishing, haven't you, mate?
Yep.
Yeah, you?
Yeah, me.
Yeah. And I nearly said little Rob, sorry. And Rob, just sitting there. What do you want to tell our audience, Rob?
I don't know.
Oh, lost for words!
I don't know.
That's quite good, I like that.
Yeah.
And here we are in the spray booth. Oh, hello there.
You come and pay me a little visit.
Yeah, we thought we'd come and see how you're doing as well.
Well, funny enough, we're going to be in here in a few minutes anyway, watching me paint this lovely body kit that we've got. Now, this is a delightful body kit, made in America, back in the 1940s. It's made from genuine ivy. So lovely.
I'm quite impressed they made a body kit back in the 1940s for a 2008 VW EOS.
And they were very ahead of their time back then. Very underrated, you know.
Extremely ahead of their time. There we go. Here's all the body kit, all prepped and ready. And let's for another video, isn't it, Fraser?
I don't know. Depends what you're filming now. I don't know.
For a VW EOS.
Yes, this is what this is. I don't know what you're videoing for, so I don't know. Maybe not.
We'll put the link above your head right now.
Yeah. Wow. What is this? You're definitely going to put the link in, aren't you? Not going to look like an idiot. You wouldn't do that, mate.
No, I wouldn't do that to you, mate. We'll put the link right above your head.
Just as well. Right there.
You know it.
Please put the link in.
Right, here we go. Ad's now about to get the booster system. He's just hiding underneath. Here he is, look. Here's the sound booster.
You know where it goes?
Definitely underneath
I
there
think
somewhere.
you've come a little bit early.
Oh, story of my life, mate.
It goes just here.
Okay, so here we go. We have the sound booster system all installed. Adam has made a couple of minor adjustments.
Hello, mate.
Hello, mate, over there. Look, there he is. There he is. And there's Rob. Hello, Rob. So a couple of minor adjustments just to make sure it fits nicely. Wiring all very, very neatly placed underneath the vehicle to run up into the driver's footwell area, where there is a pre-drilled hole. So that's all installed. We will be testing it very shortly. So we'll give you a little sound demo of that, see what you think. Don't forget to give us a shout at Black Stag Styling for any of these types of needs. Any styling, sound booster systems, all sorts of stuff. And don't forget they're available for all sorts of different vehicles. So you've got your electric cars, as well as your petrol and diesels. So give us a shout if you want to know what it will fit. Thank you very much. Right, so we have now installed the Kufatec sound booster system. So onto our truck we have fitted the extended version, which has got the Maserati sound system to it. So what we're going to do is just quickly show you where we fitted the button, because you can run through the settings on the button rather than on the app on your phone, and we'll also run through the app as well just to show you how that works, and then of course we'll give you a demo of it all running and through the different sounds. So here's Adam. Oh, hello there, mate. Right, so down on the lower section of the dash, if you can just point to it,
Just here, lad.
we've got the button there, so you can press that just to switch through the different settings.
Or just turn it off.
Or like I say, or just turn it off. We've got 6 settings, haven't we, mate, I think?
Yeah.
And then we have the app, which I've just got on my phone here. This is the Kufatec app just there. We'll open that up. Probably just need to put the ignition on. I'll just take a... Okay, so here we've got the app, we've got the different settings. So starting on 0, so 0 is nothing, so that's just your standard engine sound, and then we've got settings 1, 2, 3, right through, running through to 6. All of these are fully adjustable, so you've got adjustments here, and each one can be individually adjusted. Obviously your normal settings, info, and turning it on and off responsive to the throttle. So there's a few different settings you can run through. You can fully adjust this to exactly how you want it to run through all of them settings as well, so they're fully adjustable. Right, so we'll start it up on 0.
Start it up.
Okay, so this is just the normal engine sound. Stand back a bit. In fact, what we'll do, there we go.
Right, here comes number 1. Are you ready?
So I've got number 1 set as quite a subtle engine sound. Give it a little rev ad. Nice, and then on to second 2. So a little bit deeper. Number 3. There we go, so a bit deeper still. You've got full adjustments as well to give it almost like a rough idle that you can have on certain settings with it all as well. Then number 4 is it, Ad?
Number 4.
Number 5. So you can hear the slight rough idle to this one. Probably my favourite one, I think, that one. And number 6. Little rev, mate. There we go, nice. And then back to 0. Okay, there we go. So that's running through all the different settings. Don't forget to give us a shout at Black Stag Styling. This is on our vehicle, so this is fully we can fully demonstrate this to any customers. So if you are able to pop in and see us and you want to have a little demonstration of the system, please do pop in and see us. Give us a quick call first, make sure the truck's available, and we will be more than happy to run through the Kufatec sound booster system, and then of course provide you with a quote if you want to know anything more about it. We've got leaflets as well, so we can give you leaflets to take away. Right, fantastic. Right guys, there we have it. Thank you for checking out our channel here at Black Stag Styling and of course AW Smart Repairs. It has been a pleasure having you along to watch us install the Kufatec sound booster system onto our truck. Don't forget you can check out the other videos. We've got a couple of other videos to do with our truck, with doing all the styling, the hydro dipping, the wheel arches, and we've got another video having the vehicle all wrapped with our decals as well, so don't forget to check them out on the channel. As always, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget, please do like and subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications. We'll now wrap this up. We're going to bring the vehicle out, give you a last little video as we pull the truck out, and of course you'll be able to hear the sound booster system as well. Like and subscribe to the channel, and we will catch you again soon. Thanks for watching.